Well, hi, it's Jeanne Gomm in the Glass Studio, and today I'm going to teach you how to unroll a roll of copper foil. So this is a roll of 1/4-inch copper foil, and I'm just going to start by pulling off the whole first row. And then David doesn't like this tape anywhere near, and so I will make sure that this tape is completely gone. So I'll just cut it off.
That was a good method. That was really good. Now, I have to tell you, over on that other window that I'm working on right now, there have been a couple of places where I've had to take an X-Acto knife and scrape it. Because they
so
left.
Someone left the tape
Yeah.
on. Okay.
And you can't solder it.
Right. So make sure that that tape is completely gone. Your tip for the day.
All right. I have another tip. Okay, so I want you to look right here. See how this piece was foiled, and the copper foil was wrapped in such a way that it didn't even cover this side at all. And I didn't really notice that until after it was soldered. And you can see a lot of the foil down there, down below, and there's no foil up on top. So I want to fix that. This is a quick fix. You take a rag and you want to wipe down, get the flux off, get it really clean so that the copper foil will stick. All right, so now hopefully that's enough. Now I've got this thin foil here. See how it's not very thick. And I'm going to I'm laying this down so that it overlaps where the foil comes out on the bottom side. There it is. It looks now I'm gonna tear that bit off. Then I got a little craft knife here, and I can I'm gonna Now I'm going to put a little flux on here. What I like to do is I melt it down on one end, and then I go up to the other end and melt it down. And then bit by bit so now it's stuck down pretty well. Now I can just simply the solder that's below is melting and joining up with the solder on top. So you see now it looks proper. It looks like it's done well. And there it is. And this is that window that we showed last time. Okay. That's it. See you now. Do remember to join us. Hit like, subscribe, check the bell notification, and then join us on Patreon. You just because you click on the Patreon, it's a little square over here. You doesn't mean you have to pay money. You can see a lot of the stuff on Patreon so that you can kind of get used to it and see if you want to be part of that. All right, thanks.